how should I think about pricing and discounts when choosing a provider? I'm seeing here you're saying that asking for coupons, discounts, whatever, when it comes out to that. So this is tricky, and here, just hear me out. I had a love and hate relationship when it comes down to discounts. And right now, there's a specific way how we are ever offering discounts. If you do, previously it was like, no, I'm not going to offer any discount. This is my pricing. You might not understand right now the strategy and the systems that we're going to install in your business was that you are hiring us, but yeah, this is our pricing. So we did not never negotiate it down on pricing. Something else that I noticed is that once that already we have experience with a brand and we see how they work, how they communicate, we understand their level of intelligence when it comes down to ads and their level of not necessarily intelligence, but emotional intelligence on how they are as the brand owner, then it might be sometimes the case when, okay, let's see, okay, can we offer you any discount? Can we offer you any coupons? Anything in order to, is it still worth for you to stay with us now that we understand each other better? And other times, what's going to be, hey, you've been with us for the past 2 years. Look, when you hired us, these were the scope. And right now we are doing way more than that. And look, I believe that we should be increasing. And then the price, that we are charging monthly basis. Or other times it can also be that you just grow as a business and you're charging more and more for your services. So you can actually grow revenue instead of just adding more, piling up more clients. That also can be one of these instances when we're saying, actually, we are not, no coupons, no discounts, nothing like that. We're still going to keep you, grandfather you in the pricing that we started. So we are still going to keep you at this pricing for the next 3 months, 6 months, and then we have to increase the pricing just because we've done so for all the other new clients that we have. But generally, I would not offer any more discounts.